Quora, widely recognized as a major question and answer platform, goes beyond being a simple knowledge-seeking website. It has evolved into a robust online community where users can leverage their expertise to earn money. With millions of users, Quora is hard to miss when searching online. For instance, if you search on Google for a query like "how much money can you make from print on demand," you'll likely see Quora among the top results. You might wonder why people spend time answering questions on Quora for free. The truth is, many users earn money through various monetization avenues offered by Quora. One such program was the Quora Partner Program, which allowed contributors to earn significant amounts, with some reportedly making up to $1,000 per post. However, this program has been replaced by Quora Plus, a new tool that facilitates content monetization. Another way users monetize on Quora is through Quora Space, which functions like a personal publication, allowing users to earn through ad revenue sharing and subscriptions. This model resembles platforms like Medium, where subscribers pay a monthly fee to access unlimited content. Users also leverage Quora's vast audience for traffic driving. Although not endorsed by Quora, users share affiliate links or promote products on their websites through Quora responses, attracting potential customers. For instance, if you promote a product through an affiliate link and someone makes a purchase, you can earn a commission. To earn $15,000 per month, you might need around 500 customers to purchase the product you're promoting through Quora. Quora Plus, the replacement for the Quora Partner Program, operates on a subscription-based model. For $5 per month, members can browse Quora ad-free, unlock restricted answers, and access exclusive content from creators. As a content creator on Quora Plus, you earn based on engagement and reading time from subscribers. The more engaging your content, the higher your potential earnings. To earn $15,000 per month on Quora Plus, you'd need to create high-quality, engaging content and actively engage with the community. Consistency is key to building a following and maximizing earnings. Each post's earnings depend on its engagement and reading time. To start earning on Quora Plus, sign up on Quora.com, complete your profile with areas of expertise, and engage by answering relevant questions. Once you've built a following, apply for Quora Plus and focus on creating valuable content to attract subscribers. Promote your Quora Plus subscription on social media to increase your subscriber base. Pay attention to feedback and tailor your content accordingly to maintain reader loyalty. By following these steps and strategies, Quora Plus can become a lucrative side hustle or even a primary source of income over time. Remember to diversify your income sources by driving traffic to external monetization platforms. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights on making money with Quora Plus. Until next time, stay informed and keep striving for success. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.